Now we start with the 1 hour chart for ADA. All right, as you can see, we were expecting the price to break this low. And as you can see, the price, when the price was within this move, was really corrective. And now we get this down move. As we were expected, the price broke the low. Because when the price was within this correction, we mentioned we're looking for this. And this isn't relative to each other. Become 1, 2, 3. And again, this is the first target. We mentioned if we're looking for sell and how deep it can go, which is 1.088. And another one was 1.004, almost 1. Okay, as we can see, the price broke the first level, but it haven't tagged this another one. Now we want to see how deep it can go and whether this is a car. As what we can see here, every time we mention when the price was exactly here, we mention every time we get the flag, we can look for sell. But from now, any sell again will be short term in case there is a reversal. Even if we want to look for this one, maybe we can get the sharp move down. But if anyone selling, I mean, if we're selling, we should consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Now, I want to see what we have. We start with daily chart because we mentioned if we get this three waves to end, then we can expect the reversal. Now, if we get the first of all, we want to see how deep it can go. This is where we're expecting the price to take at least. All right. Then, whether if we get any reversal, this is the one is going to break the top, or as I explained in my last video, this one can turn the correction move similar to what we have here for one more drop. Okay. Now, if we put extend this one, but right now, because last time when the price was within this move, we mentioned with the breakout of this, we can trade it. We didn't get any trade because we were expecting the price to break this low. At that time, we mentioned if in case the price can reverse without breaking this low. All right, but now we have this one and we can expect the price to turn to the up move as a correction for one more drop, similar to what we have here. That's why we put our line here. Now we move to higher time frame. We want to see how we can trade based on higher time frame and what we're looking for. All right, daily, again, nothings. The only things is we get the price is dropping. Okay, if we move to forward chart. All right, now we mentioned we want to see do we get the three waves and whether it's relative to this or not. Because last time we're putting this one in relative to each other. Okay, now what we get here is bigger than this and even because as we can see every time we're getting the correction what we're getting is in terms of the size and length is bigger. All right, because of the way the price is moving. That's why when the price drop here we mentioned what we get here we can expect a bigger correction. That's why we were talking about the 1 2 3. Now we want to see what we have here. Okay, first of all, as you can see the price dropped quite a lot. If we put this one relative to this, for sure we have, I mean, we cannot find any divergence on anything. And the only thing is how deep this one can go. Because based on this one, I mean the forward chart, if we put this one here, okay, may I put this line, all right, with a different color. May I put in the red color and we put visibility just forwards. All right. One more things. If we put our line here as a trend line, this one is just for the, I mean, just for indication, at least you know where the price is moving. Again, it's still because we, in our analysis, we have this line. Now we can expect the price to take this one. Still, we can expect the price to drop quite a more, which is based on what we have right now. We can expect the price to drop to 0.95. Okay, then from there we reverse. But now the question is, if this one continue and drop, then I mean, how deep it can go, similar to what I mentioned right now. But if this one turn to a correction, similar to what we have here, then we can expect for the breakout as well. Okay, this is just what we think right now. All right, now I want to see how we can trade it. The only thing is again how this one can form, because right now whether this is a 1 2 3 reversal or we expect the bigger correction for one more drop. If we get the bigger correction, the price can drop quite more. All right, in relative to what we have here. This is just like based on the experience and analysis what we've seen before. Okay, And now if you move to 1 hour chart, we cannot look for the divergence at all anymore, because when the price was the breakout of here, almost when the price was here, we mentioned any divergence with the continuation can be, can be changed. That means we can expect after that there shouldn't be any divergence. And no one to see we don't have any trade set up for buy. Then whatever we have it is sell right now. Sell, sell. Okay, even this one can give us one more drop, but from now, as I mentioned, any sell will be short term. All right, and what we can expect, whether we get a bigger correction for one more drop or reversal, then how we can trade it. The only way to trade, we get the sharp move correction as a reversal. If we get any buy, we expect the price to break this one. If not, for example, if we get here, we don't stay with the trade, because we can expect for the correction for one more drop. Okay, and if we get any move reversal as a really corrective, we don't have any trade set up, we don't jump into the trade. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up based on 1 hour 4 hour chart, sorry, based on 1 hour chart. The only thing is, no, we think almost the price can drop a bit more, but after that, whether we see the reversal or bigger correction. And if I move to 15 minute, we have nothings. The only thing is we want to see whether this one can give us one more drop. And if we look at this, maybe this one can turn to flat, one more up, then drop. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any proper trade setup. The only thing is short term for sell. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup can give us a reversal, we will look for buy. But what we expecting, if you want to look for reversal, we're looking for the sharp move. Okay, anyway, we just want to see how confirm how deep this one can go. In this case, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.